Hello everybody! This is the Ship Modelers Library. Today I will show you a mini book with technical publication about secrets of ships in bottles by Peter Thorne. Of all the fascinating models it is possible to make, perhaps the ship in a bottle is the most intriguing. Not only it is a challenge to take the model maker, its very presence in the confined space of a glass bottle may even stir in him a long-forgotten belief in magic. The book deals with the making of a model of that famous clipper catty-sark. The methods and procedure described can be applied to any model sailing ship that needs to be placed in a bottle. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments section below which book would you like to flip through in the next edition.